Hold on, hold on.
Batman.
Look at it going down.
I know, it's pretty.
That's what's freaking awesome about coming back.
Yeah,
We've been all
Sunday,
over.
windy, Monday, Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all windy.
Wow.
We were just out of our camper for a month. It's very nerve-wracking.
Like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next
Happy
one.
birthday, Nono! We had to get Dutch Brothers, huh? Say happy birthday, Nono. Ooh, is it Dutch?
Hey guys.
Here's our 4-hour laundry trip.
Here's our 4-hour long laundry trip. Yeah. As you can see, we have 4 washers and 4 dryers. And we use them all when we get the chance to. It costs $2 for the washer, $1 for the dryer. Yeah. This is how it goes, you know. So is having a washer and dryer beneficial in your camper? Yes. But what do you do in winter months when you're in a place like this?
Either you have to winterize it, or you're then not have hookups.
So those are 2 other problems that we're going to have. So yes, we're, we're, I guess, pick your battles, pick your poison. $1, please.
Did you put a dryer sheet?
Yes. 46 minutes, $1. I could run it 100 times in my camper and it'd be nothing. I paid the upfront cost at the beginning. They're making bank in these banks. I'm curious to know how much they make in one of these off of all of us people. This would be a good investment. They need to put a little quarter machine in here though.
Oh, that would be good.
Like right here, it's perfect. They have a white space, quarter machine. Yes, they have quarters in the office where we are located, but
They're always open.
they're not always open. Today's Friday, right? Today's Silviano's birthday, so we're trying to get things done for him. And we were going to do laundry yesterday. They were busy. There's not just us here, so we have to be considerate of the time. Right?
Well, all the washers would be done.
All the washers are almost empty. This is our last washer right here. And this has stuff, right? So we'll have to go.
Ready?
Hold on.
Batman. Who is that, Nana?
Bowen, Nana. He's in a Bowen.
Wait a minute.
We have to sing to you.
Ready? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Piano. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, you gotta blow them out.
Blow it.
Blow.
Blow hard. Blow.
Go.
Blow.
Blow.
Blow hard.
Come on.
Blow hard.
1, 2, 3.
Blow it. Blow it.
Only like this. Go like this. Oh my god, he scared me. He scared me.
Yay.
We didn't eat it.
Say, no, this is my baby brother's Tate, and we're gonna eat it.
And this is my cake. Yes. And how many?
don't cut up bad.
I want to know happy birthday.
Huh?
I want the part where Nana's, where it says happy birthday to Nana.
I just want a little piece.
Carter don't want none. Carter doesn't want to try it.
Look at Nana. What are you doing, silly man?
Bite.
This one doesn't carry the money.
Oh, Brady has one? Or is that?
No, that's your dad's.
This one.
Your dad's trying to get out of eating it.
I didn't think I was going to do it, but look at that.
I've got $18.
It's good. Chocolate chip?
Oh, you're giving that one to her.
Open up. I can't be eating off of you. You're going to get me sick. Oh my God. Sorry. No, that's what I did
Happy
that
birthday.
one day.
Are you happy?
You happy?
What's it here?
Yeah, it's your birthday.
See, like this? He works with Daddy. Dad, this is what Daddy does, his work. He goes cuts grass.
No.
Yo, yo, yo!
So that's about it. We celebrated Silviano's 2nd birthday.
Yep.
So birthdays look a little bit different on the road, but thankfully we got to celebrate it with your dad a little bit.
Yeah, it was nice. My dad.
Graceland's birthday we did at Disney World with my parents, and Silviano's we got to come back. So now we have Carter, who's turning 13, Houston, who's turning
Carter James, Sanchezs.
Houston, who's turning
I don't know how old I am.
39 or 29. 29, almost 30.
What? I'm gonna be 29.
Uh-huh.
Shit.
And then we have Ruben, and he's turning 4. So, yeah, we have February, March, April, May, back to back to back, and then our daughter's October, and mine's November, 5 days apart.
Yep.
So we have kind of back to back birthdays.
The beginning of the year.
I don't know, we always try to do something special for them. I feel like when they're younger, it's not like as like, hey, we do this, but we try to do something special. Carter's, we don't really have anything planned yet, but we probably will. So yeah. March 20th.
What the heck will it be March 20th?
Trying to get over this cold.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do for his birthday.
We're trying to get over this cold. It's been a joy. Just your eyes are freaking burning. Like my eyes burn.
It's like a.
It was nice to actually eat pizza. I was actually finally hungry. We had a few pieces of pizza.
You can always eat pizza.
So they did like a buffet thing, and we ate the buffet. Silviano got his cookie cake. He said, Batman.
Yeah, and we'll put a picture of that cookie cake in here for you guys, because it was it came out really good.
So Ruben really likes Spider-Man, and Nono says Batman. He loves Batman. He likes Batman.
And he loved that cookie.
Yeah.
He tore it up.
I thought you'll see in the video, I thought he was gonna eat the candle, so I breathed in and breathed out and blew his other candle out. I'm like, his mouth was literally this close to the candle. I'm like,
yeah.
I thought he was gonna eat it.
And if you get like, you'll see that all the kids are home today. Because we're just sick. I mean, they're beat. They're like, they're inside sleeping right now, and
yeah, it's not.
And it's like not late. It's not crazy early. I mean, it's early. It is early, right? So like for them to be sleeping is crazy. They're never asleep this early.
This cold or flu or whatever just wipes you out. It really does. We're gonna be happy when we're over it. And we have something in store for you guys.
We do.
If everything works out.
We do. We have something in store for you guys. Something big. Like big. You guys are going to want to watch this. So like, subscribe, show our friends, hit that follow button. Share with friends, man. Yeah. Let them know Rolling with Sanchezs are getting it done.
This one's not like crazy, but it's like how we celebrate birthdays on the road, kind of. Mine and Houston's, like, the Disney World was Graceland and me, because Graceland's birthday is the 30th, and mine's the 3rd, so ours are, like, 31st.
Literally, like 5 days apart.
3rd. So
4 days.
4 days apart. So we did both of our birthdays. Houston's, yeah, Graceland and mine are probably the closest birthdays together, but we literally have birthdays for 4 months straight. So that gets pretty interesting. We're trying to figure out something that's gonna make us feel better. As soon as you think you're gonna start feeling better, it's like, it's fun. Very fun. I don't know, I'm happy that this week's supposed to be really nice weather. I'm happy that...
Kind of windy, right? A little bit windy.
I'm hoping the weather shifts. Let's see. I'm hoping the weather shifts. We will see on that one.
We did get a call from somebody today.
You'll guys find out on Sunday if everything goes great. Sunday is the day.
What the heck is that, you know?
What?
That sunset. Look at it going down.
I know, it's pretty.
That's what's freaking awesome about coming back to Wyoming is you just see the most beautiful sunsets. I mean, you could go to California. We've been to Tennessee. We've been to...
Yeah,
we've
Sunday,
been all over.
Monday, Monday, Wednesday. Oh. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all windy.
Wow.
But it's all in the 50s.
Wow.
51, 55, 52, 50, 54, 54. So we'll see.
It doesn't say a temperature or a breeze, I guess?
No.
That's okay. I'm not worried about it. Like, you think that people need sway bars, baby? You don't need sway bars. Sway bars are preferred, or like...
Houston, we were just out of our camper for a month. It's very nerve-wracking.
Nah, not even.
I don't like being in limbo. I just want to have my home back, and you're just like, limbo's fun.
No, limbo's not fun. You think I like living in this? I'm ready for my dungeon box.
Oh.
Huh?
Anything's better than this thing.
Hey, don't catch my hair in that.
Lana got a toy.
Yeah, and it works. Watch out. Let me show him. Let me demonstrate this.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, it's a little broken already.
Shh, it's not broken. See? It's not broken.
Yeah. I think it just needs to cut weeds. Like, as soon as it, like, literally touches something, it glows green. Like, look. See?
Oh, do you have to tap it on the ground?
Yeah, that's what I think. You're too rough with it.
It's a kid toy.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to fix this for him, or he's gonna be disappointed.
No, he just holds the button. This is gonna be a shorter video because we just hung out with our son today. It was his birthday, and yeah.
We didn't do nothing crazy, especially since we're all sick.
Yeah.
And like Olivia said, we're in limbo. we're kind of just waiting on a goose.
Jeez.
Huh?
Something like that.
Like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button.